You know, derivative of 3x square is 3 is constant, take it out. Derivative of dt is what? 3 by x dx. Instead of 3 by x dx, you can put dt. Observing the denominator, x plus e per x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of e per x is e per x. So here, one more step is what? T minus t per half plus 1. Denominator t per 5, take it up, it will become t per minus 5. It is in the form x power n. Now the given problem can be written as integration of minus dt by t. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, we have done problems on substitutions. Again, we'll do method of substitution and we'll solve some more problems of the exercise. Integrate the following with respect to x. 3 mark questions. Integration of 6x plus 5 into 3x square plus 5x minus 5 power 3 by 2 dx. When you observe the problem, whatever is composite function, nodi power irado adar olagade enide nodi, the base of the power term you take it as t and differentiate, you will get it. You know, derivative of 3x square is 3 is constant, take it out. Derivative of x square is 2x, it will give you 6x. Derivative of 5x gives you 5. So that's why in order to integrate, put t is equals to 3x square plus 5x minus 4, the whole term which is present in the brackets as base. So now differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is equal to derivative of 3x square is 3 is constant, take it out. All of you know derivative of x square is 2x plus 5 is constant, take it out. Derivative of x, d by dx of x is 1 minus derivative of constant is 0. All of you know all numbers are constant, so 4 is constant, derivative is 0. Simplify this, you will get 3 2s are 6x plus 5. Now you got dt by dx. So what is dt by dx? dt by dx you got 6x plus 5. Now remaining part of the function. What is the remaining part of the function? 6x plus 5. Rearrange. So dt is equal to 6x plus 5 into dx. So the given problem becomes integration of. Can I rearrange the problem? Kottira problem ni tara rearrange madkolboda. 3x square plus 5x minus 4 into 6x plus 5 dx. Now substitute this. If you substitute, it will become integral of t power, this is what is given, 5 by 3. They gave power 5 by 3. So let it be 5 by 3. So now that will become t power 5 by 3 and 6x plus 5 dx. So you can see here we got 6x plus 5. What we got? 6x plus 5 dx is dt. And what is t? 3x square plus 5x minus 4, take it as t. So now substitute them. So this will become dt. All of you know integration of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Simplify this further. So it will become t power 5 by 3 plus 1, if you take 3 is the LCM. 5 plus 3 1s are 3 divided by 5 plus 3 by 3 plus c. Simplify this. So t power 8 by 3 divided by 8 by 3 goes on top plus c. That is t. What is t? T is 3x square plus 5x minus 4 power 8 by 3 by 8 by 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Finally, you should write the value of t. Here what to put t is important. Whatever is present as base, try it as t, and differentiating gives you remaining part. Next, integration of 3 by x into 2 plus 3 log x whole power 2 by 3 dx. Observe carefully, we have by x, 3 by x or 1 by x into 3. So derivative of log x gives you what? 1 by x. That's why again whatever is present is base. See, this is in the form of index form, base power index. So ಈ base power index form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ base ನ t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Try t as b, base. So I'll take t is equal to base. What is the base? 2 plus 3 log x. Now I'll differentiate this. So differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is equal to, all of you know, derivative 2 is a number is a constant, derivative of 2 is 0. Plus is there, put plus, 3 is constant, take it out. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So simplify, RHS becomes 3 by x. This is dt by dx. dt by dx is 3 by x. We need 3 by x dx. So I can write, so dt is equal to 3 by x into what? Dx. So go back to the given problem. So they have given integration of, I'll write this as 1 by 2 plus 3 log x, 2 plus 3 log x whole power 2 by 3 into dx. Instead of dx, 3 by x dx. I'm writing 3 by x separately like this. Now do the substitution, integration of, this will become t power, what is given, 2 by 3. So t power 2 by 3, because this is t, and this whole thing is what, if you observe, dt is what, 3 by x dx. Instead of 3 by x dx, you can put dt. So here you have 3 by x dx, I'll put it as dt. Now take denominator to numerator, so it will become t power minus 2 by 3. You know 1 by a power m can be written as a power minus m. So dt, now it is in the form x power n. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become t power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Now simplify this further. So that is t power minus 2 by 3 plus 1. LCM is 3, minus 2 plus 3 divided by minus 2 plus 3 by 3 plus c. That is t power 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 plus c, or t power 1 by 3 or cube root of 3 into 3. By 3 goes up, and substitute the value of t. What is the value of t? T we took here. T is what? 2 plus 3 log x. So 3 into 2 plus 3 log x whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3 can also be written as cube root of. You can also write that as cube root of. Next, integration 1 plus e power x by x plus e power x plus power 5 dx. I told a simple hint. If you have like this base power a power x, take this base as t. Here power 5 is there. So in the power whatever is there, so in the base whatever is there, base is x plus e power x. Try the test t. Let us put t is equal to x plus e power x. Now differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is equal to, you know, derivative of x is 1, derivative of e power x is e power x. So it will become 1 plus e power x. Here you have 1 plus e power x into dx. Transfer dx to that side. So what is dt? dt is 1 plus e power x into dx. So now you got dt value. Substitute this. So the given problem, integration of 1 plus e power x into dx divided by, what is left out, x plus e power x whole power what is given, 5. So take that, is integration of this, numerator is dt and denominator is t power 5. So take t power 5 to numerator, it will become integration of t power minus 5 dt. Further simplify, integration of t power minus 5 is t power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus c, that is t power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c, that is rearrange, transfer it to this side. So minus 1 by 4 t power 4 plus c. Substitute the value of t. What is t? Minus 1 by 4, t is x plus e power x power 4 plus c. So finally you will get what? 1 divided by minus 4 into x plus e power x whole power 4 plus c is the answer. This is the integral. Here observing the denominator x plus e power x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of e power x is e power x. So take x plus e power x as t, that is a hint. Differentiate, rearrange and do substitution. So we have done 3 problems now. In every problem the hint is what to substitute. Take particular function as t and differentiate, you will get remaining part, so that it will reduce to integrable form. Now integration of 1 by 2 root x into root x minus 1 power 2 by 3. Again I am repeating, in the base we have root x minus 1. So take that as t. Put t is equals to what? Root x minus 1. Differentiate. What is dt by dx? All of you know derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So now you need 1 by 2 root x into dx. Transfer that side. So 1 by 2 root x into dx. Now the given problem becomes integration of 1 by root x minus 1 power 2 by 5 dx. I can write it as integration of 1 by t power 2 by 5. What is dx? Dx by 2 root x, I'll write. So here you can see 1 by 2 root x dx is dt. Further take it up, integration of t power minus 2 by 5 dt. Now that is t power minus 2 by 5 plus 1 divided by minus 2 by 5 plus 1 plus c. Simplify this, so it will become t power, after you take LCM, 5 is the LCM, minus 2 plus 5 by minus 2 plus 5 by 5 plus c, that is t power 3 by 5 by 3 by 5 goes up plus c, and substitute the value of t. T is our assumption, that is root x minus 1. So it will become 5 by 3 root x minus 1 power 3 by 5 plus c. That's it. Hope all of you got this. Next we have 5 power x log 5, 5 power x plus 3 power 7. So take t is equal to 5 power x plus 3. So dt by dx becomes 5 power x log 5. You know a power x. What is derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. So now rearrange. So dt is equal to 5 power x into log 5 dx. So rearrange this. When you rearrange, the given problem becomes integration of dt divided by t power 7. So now can I write it as integration of t power minus 7 dt? Further this will become t power minus 7 plus 1 divided by minus 7 plus 1 plus c, that is t power minus 6 by minus 6 plus c. So that is 1 by minus 6 t power 6 plus c, that is minus 1 by 6. T is what? 5 power x plus 3 power 6 plus c. Again we have done method of substitution. Here you know derivative a power x is a power x into log a. So derivative 5 power x is 5 power x into log 5. Rearrange, you will get the required value. Then integration of cosecant square root of 1 plus cot x. Can I write the given problem as integration of root of 1 plus cot x into cosecant square x dx, so that t is equal to 1 plus cot x. So differentiate this. So dt by dx becomes cosecant square x minus cosecant square x, and we need cosecant square x dx. So dt minus dt becomes cosecant square x into dx. So transfer dx to RHS and multiply minus. So given problem becomes, can I write it as integration of 1 plus cot x into cosecant square x dx. So integration of root of t into minus dt, minus you take it out. So integration of root t can I write it as t power half dt. So after you integrate, it will become 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 x power n formula, or of you know t power half plus 1 by half plus 1. What is half plus 1? 3 by 2. That is further minus 2 by 3. What is 3? 1 plus cot x power to 3 by 2 plus c. That's it. So it is in the form x power n. So here one more step is what? T minus t power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. So similarly we have sin 2x by 1 minus cos square x. So can I write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x? I'll write sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x is sin square x whole cube. So that is 2 sin x cos x divided by sin power 6x, law of indices. Now I am not integrating, one sin cancels. So you are left out with integration of 2 cos x divided by sin power, after you cancel it becomes 5. So sin power 5x dx. So now take t is equal to sin x, differentiate, dt by dx is cos x. So dt is cos x dx. Now given problem becomes integration of 2 dt divided by t power 5. Take it up. So 2 take it out, integration of t power minus 5 dt. So that will become 2 times t power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. So that will become minus 1 by 2 t power 4 plus c, and substitute the value of t. So minus 1 by 2. What is t we assumed? T we took it as what? Sin x. Sin power 4x plus c. This is the answer. Or we can write 1 by sin power 4 can be written as cosecant power 4. So use the multiple angle. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Sin power 6 and sin power 6 becomes sin power 5. Put t as sin power 5. So denominator t power 5, take it up, it will become t power minus 5. It is in the form x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you will get the answer. Similarly, here you can see cosecant square x, cosecant x into cot x divided by cosecant x minus this. So simple, in numerator you can take cosecant x common. Differentiation of cosecant x is cosecant into cot, derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So directly put t is equal to what? Cosecant x into cosecant x minus cot x. So differentiate it. If you differentiate, dt by dx gives you minus cosecant x into cot x, and derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So now you can rearrange. So derivative of this is this, and minus of minus becomes plus. So I'll write positive term first, cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x. This is the numerator. This is dt by dx, you transfer that side, minus I'll multiply both sides into dx. Now the given problem can be written as integration of minus dt by t. So that is minus log base e t plus c. That is minus log of denominator. What is the denominator? Denominator what we have? Sorry, here we will rearrange. So it will become positive dt by dx. We don't multiply. So here it is dt. First you write positive term, then you write negative term. Then integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. So substitute for t. What is the t value? Cosecant x minus cot x plus c. That's the answer. Then you have done some more problems and what? Substitution. All the problems are equally important. I am repeating, if you want to do substitution, first you should become thorough with differentiation, then you can start this. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.